Snap-on 14.4. Battery housing that's portable. It's got magnets on the bottom. "12-inch light stick, about 1500 lumens. Manufactured by Goose-Grip. 3D stainless steel swivel. 304 stainless. 92-pound pull force magnet on the bottom. Don't really need light, but just to show how the light works. Here's a good spot right there. And the swivel really allows a lot of cool articulation. And here, I'll plug the light into the housing. Let's turn on the switch. There's the light. Put it anywhere you want. Very, very bright. Very thin. Very stealthy. Can fit down in places that no other light can. We make this light in Milwaukee M12, Dewalt 12 volts, and now Snap-on 14.4. This light, the battery and the light has a lifetime warranty. You only buy it once, so nobody start whining. The M12 and the Dewalt version is $150. This one is $165. A little bit more work to adapt that housing to handle Snap-on, and a completely different light stick to handle the higher voltage. But no plastic except for that ABS plastic housing right there. But you only buy it once. If you ever break it, I'll ship you the parts for free for you to fix it, but you're going to pay shipping. And that's really it. Look for it on goosegrip.com. I'm out.